This is The Gig. I'm Johnny O, and we do all things tech. I would also like to help you with all things tech. So, any emails or questions or anything like that that you have about computers, computer hardware, computer networking, home networking, enterprise systems, you can drop me a line. I'll answer your questions. I'll make a show out of it. I'll answer your questions. Maybe other people have the same question. So if you're looking to build your first computer or you've built many computers and you have questions about the CPU, what motherboard I should get, not the exact motherboard, what features I'm looking for in my motherboard. I want to set up a media server at home where I can store all my movie files and access it from my network, whether it's over Wi-Fi or hardline, or I want to set up my home network. You can ask me and I'll help you. I'll make a show out of helping you. Maybe you're having trouble with a project at work or some infrastructure at work, whether it's Cisco networking or other Cisco equipment, enterprise level kind of stuff. I'll help you with that. What you can't email me or ask me for is help with coding. Yeah, oh, I want to create a separate web server with a separate login module and I want to know how to string it together with .NET. No, don't send me that. Don't send me any questions about coding. I'll ignore you. I'll ignore you at all times. If you're a Mac user, don't ask me for any help at all, because if you're having problems with your Mac, I don't care. And maybe phone Mac or someone who cares, because you should have bought a PC, not some piece of junk Mac. And that's what you should be using, not a Mac. So I don't want to hear anything about Mac. PC stuff. You know, you want to buy a new GPU, or you want to configure 2 GPUs, or you want to install some new RAM. Any basic stuff up to advanced stuff. You want to start configuring for overclocking or something like that. I'll help you out with that. Now, anything obviously that gets into overclocking that could harm your hardware, I can just advise you. I will advise you. That's all I'll do. I will not accept the responsibility of what you do with your computer when you're overclocking. But I will help you do that. If you want to choose all the components for a computer or just one, you want to choose the best SSD for the price or the fastest SSD. You can leave me questions and comments. I'll even show you how to install them if you want. Same goes with your home network. A lot of people are setting up these home networks with media servers. They're taking their old PC and they're recommissioning it just as a media server. If you have questions about operating systems, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 2000, Windows 95, I can probably even help you out. Even DOS. I mean, I'll have to jog my memory a bit, but even some old school questions like that, I'll help you out with that too. Now, just leave your questions and comments below. I'm Johnny O. This is The Gig. Don't forget to like and subscribe.